You wake up wanting to do something great for your health and make a fresh green smoothie. Spinach, kale, a banana, an apple, and maybe some oat milk. You drink it, thinking you just gave your body a massive dose of vitamins. But what if I told you that this exact healthy drink might be the hidden reason behind your constant bloating, brain fog, skin breakouts, and stubborn belly fat? Today, we are exposing the dark side of the wellness industry. We are looking at the hard science of why your daily healthy smoothie might be quietly destroying your gut, overloading your liver, and driving chronic inflammation through your entire nervous system. To understand why a smoothie can be a total disaster for your digestive tract, we have to look at how your body actually processes food. When you eat a whole apple or a solid piece of fruit, your teeth chew it, mixing it with saliva. This starts the digestive process. More importantly, the sugar in that fruit is locked inside a matrix of solid plant fiber. Because of this fiber, your stomach and intestines take hours to break it down. The sugar enters your bloodstream very slowly, giving your liver plenty of time to process it without any stress. Now, let's look at what happens when you put 3 different fruits, a handful of spinach, and juice into a high-speed blender. In less than 30 seconds, the metal blades completely obliterate that natural fiber matrix. They shred it into microscopic particles. You are not eating whole food anymore. You are drinking a highly concentrated, pre-digested liquid sugar bomb. When you drink this smoothie, you usually consume it in just a few minutes. Your body receives a massive wave of liquid fructose all at once. Because the fiber is destroyed, this sugar rushes into your small intestine almost instantly. Your liver is completely blindsided. It is forced to deal with a huge amount of fructose that it was never designed to handle in such a short window of time. And here is the dangerous part that most health influencers will never tell you. Your cells cannot use fructose for energy. Only your liver can metabolize it. When your liver is suddenly flooded with liquid sugar from a large smoothie, it has no choice but to convert that excess fructose directly into fat. This process leads to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. You might think you are detoxing your body, but you are actually mimicking the exact metabolic damage caused by heavy alcohol consumption or drinking soda. But the damage does not stop at your liver. This sudden rush of sugar creates absolute chaos in your gut microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. When a massive amount of easily accessible sugar slams into your digestive tract, it acts like rocket fuel for the wrong kind of microbes. Opportunistic bacteria and yeasts like Candida absolutely love simple sugars. They feed on them, multiply rapidly, and begin to crowd out the beneficial bacteria that keep your gut lining healthy. This rapid fermentation process produces large amounts of gas, leading to that uncomfortable, painful bloating you feel an hour or 2 after drinking your green smoothie. Over time, this bacterial imbalance can trigger a condition called small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO. Once SIBO sets in, your digestion becomes highly sensitive, making it incredibly difficult to break down even basic foods without experiencing pain and inflammation. Furthermore, when the bad bacteria overgrow, they release toxic byproducts called endotoxins. These toxins irritate and damage the delicate single-layer lining of your gut wall, creating microscopic holes. This is what scientists call increased intestinal permeability, commonly known as leaky gut. When you have a leaky gut, undigested food particles, toxins, and bacterial waste escape directly into your bloodstream. Your immune system immediately spots these foreign invaders and goes into a state of high alert. It launches a massive immune response, releasing inflammatory chemicals throughout your entire body. This chronic, low-grade internal inflammation is the real root cause of your constant brain fog, unexplained skin rashes, joint pain, and chronic fatigue. By drinking a blended sugar bomb every morning, you are keeping your immune system trapped in a vicious cycle of constant fight or flight. There is another hidden danger lurking inside your healthy green smoothies, especially if you love adding massive handfuls of raw spinach, kale, or chard. These leafy greens contain high amounts of natural defense mechanisms called oxalates. Oxalates are organic compounds meant to protect the plant from being eaten by insects. When you eat these greens cooked, the heat breaks down a significant portion of these compounds. But when you dump massive amounts of raw spinach into a blender every single day, you are consuming a highly concentrated dose of oxalates. Inside your body, oxalates bind to minerals like calcium. This forms sharp microscopic crystals that can accumulate in your kidneys, leading to incredibly painful kidney stones. Even worse, these crystals can embed themselves into your joints and thyroid tissue, causing mysterious aches, muscle stiffness, and thyroid dysfunction that standard blood tests completely fail to explain. So does this mean you can never enjoy a refreshing drink again? Not necessarily. But if you want to protect your gut, heal your liver, and calm your nervous system, you must change the formula completely. First, stop blending multiple high-sugar fruits together. If you want to use fruit, stick to a small handful of wild berries, like blueberries or raspberries, which are very low in sugar and packed with intact antioxidants. Second, swap the raw, high-oxalate greens like spinach for healthier alternatives like avocado, which provides essential healthy fats that actually stabilize your blood sugar and support your brain health. Third, always include a high-quality source of clean protein and healthy fats, such as collagen peptides or unsweetened almond butter. This slows down your digestion even further, preventing any sudden spikes in insulin. Most importantly, remember that your digestive system was designed to chew, not to drink its meals. If you want the full benefits of fruits and vegetables, eat them whole. Give your stomach, your liver, and your gut microbes the time they need to do their jobs properly. Stop following the trendy wellness advice that leaves you feeling bloated and exhausted. Listen to your own biology, heal your gut from the inside out, and take back control of your health.